Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create album in this device. For this, open the Photos application. You can say this is the Photos application. Open this one. Now scroll down. Okay. Now here you can see one album section. So till now I didn't create any album. So first of all I am going to create a new album. So here you can see the option create album. Tap on this one. Okay, so here we can enter the name of the album. So here I am going to enter memories. Okay, now tap on create on the top right side. Now you can see one album is created. If we tap on this one, now here we can add the photos to this album. If we tap on this one, so if you want to add this one, you can select multiple pictures at a time. Yeah, first of all select the pictures and tap on the add button on the top right side. We can see we create an album and we can add the photos to that album. You can see. So simply in this way we can create an album in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.